Hello everyone. Do you know analytics and what are the different stages of analytics? Yes. Today I am explaining you the analytics and how this analytics is being evolved. So first is analytics. Analytics refers to the data analytics also. It is the systematic computation analysis of data or statistics. It is used for the discovery, interpretation and communication of meaningful patterns in the data. Organization may use analytics to business data to describe, predict and improve the business performance. Next, there are multiple stages of this analytics. So first one is the descriptive analytics. Descriptive analytics is the question behind this descriptive analytics is that what happened. So what is the current condition or the current scenario of a particular organization can be described by using the descriptive analytics. Another important is the diagnostic analytics. The question behind this diagnostic analytics is why did it happen? So what is the current condition and what are the reasons behind this condition of a particular organization can be described or can be recognized by using this diagnostic analytics. The third and the most important is the predictive analytics. The question behind this predictive analytics is what will happen. So from a historical data of a particular organization, we are predicting the future of a particular organization, that what will happen. And last and the most important is the prescriptive analytics. The question behind the prescriptive analytics is that how can we make it happen. For example, if you have set a particular goal of a particular organization and we want to achieve that particular goal, that can be done by using this prescriptive analytics. Hi, my name is Sharayu and I am from Pace Career Academy. It's really very important to understand what is analytics and how this analytics is being evolved and how this analytics we are implementing on our data science and data analysis part. Join our online data science course and make a difference to your data science career. Any graduate and postgraduate can join this course. Join our family. Learn from leaders. We have been in the market for 12 plus years. We have 15 plus branches across India. We have trained 5,000 plus candidates and we have 250 plus company network support. Call us for more details.